Alright, so this is going to be a video about the differentiation of a to the x. So basically it's going to be exponential functions that do not have a base of e. Okay, so we have an example problem right here. I'm going to want to find the derivative of f of x for this problem, x to the fifth divided by 3 to the 7x. The first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this so that I don't have this, so I'm not dividing by this exponential function here. So what I'm going to do, since it's on the bottom, it's on the denominator, I'm just going to make the power negative so it'd be up at the top now. So this 3 to the 7x is just going to be 3 to the negative 7x power. Okay, so now since we're finding the derivative, we can just use the product rule here because I'm doing this function right here, the x to the fifth, times this 3 to the negative 7x. So what's going to happen is I'm going to make the first one my f and the second one my g, and then I'm going to use the product rule. So we have our f and our f prime, and then our g and our g prime. Okay, the f is going to be x to the fifth, the derivative would be 5x to the fourth. The g would be the 3 to the negative 7x power, and the derivative of it, we're going to want to use this formula right here on the bottom, where the derivative of a to the x is equal to a to the x times ln a. So that's what I'm basically going to be doing here. The a to the x stays the same, so that's just what the function started with, times ln a, which is 3, but we also have an inner derivative right here of negative 7 that we also need to multiply by as well. So you end up having a derivative of this right here. Okay, from here now I'm going to do my f times my g prime, and you'll end up with negative 7 ln 3 times x to the fifth times 3 to the negative 7x. Then you have to add that to g times f prime, so then that would be 3 to the negative 7x times 5x to the fourth. Now, depending on your teacher, you might be able to just leave this as negative exponents. If you're not allowed to do that, then you're going to have to rewrite this. So now the 3 to the 7x is on the bottom, and you have a little bit more simplified derivative of what we have here. So that's the differentiation of a to the x. Again, this is when the bases are not equal to e. This is an example problem, so if you have any questions on anything in this video, let me know.